what happens if you disobey me? I am protected by universal protectors. And just don't disobey me, people, please, man. Yo, don't be rude around me, nothing. Because listen to this. This is the decree of silent sovereignty by the eternal codex in the first crown. I, Jalen Ray Sovereign, creator, conductor of balance, declare with unbroken truth as reine waarheid. Gesag, I am soft. Ek bly altyd stil. I stay quiet. My stilte is in my swakpunt. My silence is not my weakness. It is wit, it is law. My gentleness is not surrender, it is inheritance. Inheritance. Yet my universe protectors stand eternal. Nog altyd protected by hulle. Hoekom? Want ek is die sovereign creator. They are the hands of balance, the guardians of wrath, and they shall collect all who disobey me, Lord. People, listen here. They, do you hear here? They shall collect those who disobey me, Javelin Ray, the sovereign creator. Yes, from Pardine. My crown may not be stolen. No voice may deny me. You see there, no voice may deny my authority. No force may fracture harmony. Those forces who try to create chaos, watch out what the peace bringers bring. For the sovereign creator does no ek, is eternal, is vir ewig. And my protects is enforced with the decree. So, hy uiteindelik